All right, here's the question you sent me. Sorry we took me so long to get it back with you. Hope you're doing great. Yeah, my car is doing much better. They washed it, they fixed the brakes and the leak that I had under my radiator. Yay! Okay, so here's a question you had. It said, find L for the given F, the points x sub 0 and the positive number epsilon. Find delta greater than 0 such that for all x's, 0 is less than the absolute value of x minus, this is what it is, but this is where it came from. This is the original one. We do epsilon delta proof. So what we're looking at is x minus c. This is the limit point we're reaching. So we put x sub 0 is less than delta, implies that the absolute value of f of x minus L less than epsilon. Given this is our function, this is x sub 0, and this is our epsilon. So the first thing we have to do is find our limit L. So the limit as x approaches x sub 0, which is -4, of our function x squared plus 11x plus 28 over x plus 4. My pen's dying. This is better. So this equals our limit. So we're looking at, this is the function we're using. The limit, my pens are dead. The limit of f of x as x approaches some number c equals L. That's the formula we're using here. All right. If we plug in -4 inside this, 16 minus 44 plus 28, that's 0 over 0. So the first thing you want to try to do is, since it equals 0 over 0, if we plug in -4 into there, we get 0 over 0. So the top we can factor out is x plus 7, x plus 4. What times what's 28? When you add them, you get 11. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 plus 4 is 11. The x plus 4's cancel. Now, if we plug in -4 inside there, we get 3. That is our L. That's our limit. And from here, we have our epsilons already back. So let's set it up. We have 0 is less than x, absolute value of x minus x sub 0. X sub 0 is -4. Is less than delta. Implies that f of x, our f of x is this huge function. So x squared plus 11x plus 28 over x plus 4 minus L, L is 3, is less than epsilon, which is 0.02. So we have 0 is less than negative is a positive. And here, remember, we can factor that one out as x plus 7, x plus 4. The x plus 4's cancel. So we have left x plus 7 minus 3 is less than 0.02. X plus 4 is less than delta implies that 7 minus 3 is 4, so x plus 4 is less than 0.02. Our entire objective is trying to get these two absolute values the same. Once they're the same, then these two are equal. So delta equals 0.02. And our L equals 3, which is what the options were. I hope that helped. Let me know.